All right, YouTube, got another part from Burnz Auto. This is the carbon fiber speedometer bezel. I kind of already took it out of the box here. Comes kind of wrapped up like this with the styrofoam. And opening her up, there it is. So full replacement, not just the cover itself. You can see the kind of OEM part there, skinned right under it. All right, so this will swap out the bezel you have on your vehicle for a literally brand new one in a sense, right? But this time with some sick carbon fiber, just to add on to kind of some more of the parts that I've bought from them, kind of like the center console here. But without further ado, I'm gonna try to put the viewpoint here on the steering wheel. Hopefully the phone doesn't fall, and then I'll get this thing installed right quick. So real simple install. All you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver, and then you'll loosen two bolts that are up top here. All right, that one looks pretty loose. All right, there's one screw, and then one more screw. You can kind of see it coming out there. All right, boom. All right, and hopefully the phone doesn't fall, but all you're gonna do is just, you can reach on the inside here and just give this a tug, and it pops right out. This is my OEM one. I'd painted it hyper blue to kind of match the car. Yeah, so that's that one. All right, so let's take that out of the way. And yeah, let's grab this new carbon fiber one. Just slide this bad boy in. So you line up the prongs. All right. It's clicking into place. Good. All right. Sounds like we are in business. Awesome. All right, good to go. And the best part about the part is it's really an OEM piece, just with the carbon fiber, so fits like a glove in a sense, yeah. All right, there's one Phillips head in. And then let's get the other one in. All right. Both are in. And let's give it a look from here. Pretty sweet. And then if we turn it on, speedometer here. All right. Pretty sweet. Look at that. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching once again. Shout out to Burnz Auto for the speedometer bezel. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll answer whenever I can. Thanks.